Wow, look at the chefs. It's Ireland and Matteo's cooking show. Brought to you by Even Amici. This is upper crust pizza.
No.
No?
It's called Tahoe.
Tahoe? Like taco?
No, it's called it's called the Chef's Place.
Oh, the chef's place. That's nice and simple. I like it. What do you guys specialize in?
Guess what?
What?
And guess what? Our name of our Kennedy Elementary team is Eagle Games.
Eagle Games. Oh.
So, would you like any French fries? And a tea.
Me and Ivna would like. Ooh. Do you guys have steak?
Hello.
Steak on the menu? Lala. Lala, you guys have.
Like that.
Lala. Lala. Do you have pizza?
Yeah.
Okay. Me.
Pizza.
Okay.
A banana.
Okay. Me and Ivna would like 2 slices of pizza, Lala.
2 slices of pizza. Would you like this? A pizza?
Maybe for dessert.
Um,
Oh, yes, Lala.
Here's a pizza.
Okay, don't you want to put it on the plates and serve us nicely?
Yep.
What kind of restaurant is this?
Okay. And you get a dessert.
Oh, I didn't even eat my pizza. Look at this. Wow. Lala, where are you going? So, are you the chef? You're both?
Yep.
Oh, you both do the cooking? Yeah? Oh, Ivana's got a hat. Does she work there too? Sure, okay. Can you give it to her? Okay.